Welcome back. We're getting close. We're getting close.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Like I said, with this we're getting close. I think I'm down to about 6 patches left, give or take, on this side, and then this side's done. Flip it over, make a start on the other side, rinse and repeat and all that. Been busy in the background while this has been off, so I've managed to finish off all of the welding in here. As I said on my last video, I've added an extra brace in here just purely for strength. I have no idea if it'll actually do any good. I presume it will, because let's face it, it's extra brace and it's like a gusset plate effectively. So yeah, that's done, that's good. This corner now is done, so I can finish off with this. I've got the sill to go on. Getting this done, this plate done here while I've been off. That's absolutely solid. I'm more than happy with that. All I'm waiting for now coming is the inner arch for here. Once the inner arch is on, I can put the sill on and put this little section of arch, rear outer arch, back on here. That'll be this part done. What I'm going to do in the meantime while we're waiting to start on this panel, this part here, as you can see, it's took a little bit of a nudge at some point in its life. So all I'm going to do is just basically cut back the outer. See what I need. I need to repair this piece here, which is obviously going to be another plate inside there, and then I'll wait and see just how much of the inner arch repair panel I get. Hopefully it comes down to here, down to this seam. So I haven't got to plate that separately, but if I've got to plate that separately, I'll just plate it, chop it there, fill the inner arch in when I get the inner arch repair panel in, the outer arch to go on. So what I'll do is, let's say, I'll cut this off, a little bit of panel beat and try and shape this corner back up into some sort of usable shape again, and see where we go from there. There we go. In all fairness, nowhere near as bad as I thought it was. I'm more worried about knocking the dent out, if I'm being honest. I'll cut along here, down there, form a new plate in basically for there, which will overlap onto this corner here, and then cut up and along, form a new plate to come to the edge of that one, the edge of that one, and then up to here. So yeah, not too bad at all, not too shabby. The new rear arch will cover this piece here. Well, it'll replace this piece here once I knock it back into shape, and give us me return lip for the outer arch to weld to. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Nice easy job. Good news. The inner arches have come in. So as you can see, I've already lobbed off the front end of that. I did get a bit carried away. I've welded it in here. It's nice and solid there, so that's a nice flowing arch. I've checked it with the sill. The sill's actually fantastic. Got to make a little plate for inside here, and I didn't know where that ended, so all I'll do is just make a little plate for there. Just folds up inside there. It'll fold up inside here, and all I'm going to do is just spot it down there. I'm going to leave the spot welds on the back just for a little bit extra, give it a little bit of strength. They're not going to be a problem because they're inside, they'll not even be seen. So yeah, good news, we can finally get cracked on. Once this is on, I can get the little patch of arch in there, and then I can get my sill on, and then there's just that little hole there to deal with, and then we're laughing. Right, I think we're going to wrap the video up there and tie it off for the day. I've gotten quite a bit done off camera. I've just been sort of plodding on in the background, so I can't remember where I was in the video, I'll be honest. I've had a couple of days where I've just been running ragged. I've got the inner arch repaired here, the inner arch is repaired there as well. I just need to grind the welds down. That'll also need trimming off once I get the outer arch on. I've got the outer arch cut ready to go, and that fits fits on there well. So that's ready to go. That just needs trimmed and sort of shaped into place. Then it should just be a matter of a little bit of outer arch there. Cut the sill and bash the sill on. Bish, bash, bosh, we're done. The minute though, we're busy because this week Harry's getting stripped, ready for the breakers. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Hopefully, not too much more to do on this side now. I'll be honest, I'm looking forward to getting it flipped over and started on the other side. Looking forward to getting rid of that because I just need the space basically. I'm more concerned I'm going to be pulling that apart and having pieces and parts lying all over the workshop and not be able to get moved for them. That's my concern. But at the minute, I'll be honest, things are selling like hotcakes off that. I can't keep up with the messages. So yeah, this next week, 2 weeks, hopefully I'll be plodding on with this. Hopefully get this side done, as I say, and then we'll get on starting the other side, rinse and repeat and all that. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you've made it through this far, cheers. If you haven't and you've just skipped through, well, cheers anyway. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next week.